government is now in the process of enacting the proposed 2014 national budget. But how is the country's budget prepared? To give us a bigger picture of this process, here's Ara Perez.
At the beginning of the year, the Department of Budget and Management, or DBM, releases a national budget call to all agencies, while corporate budget call is given to government-owned and controlled corporations and government financial institutions. Through the Development Budget Coordination Committee, the budget calls cite the rules and regulations in the allotment and submission of budget proposals of agencies. In the present administration, we placed the budget preparation at a much earlier pace for the national budget to be released on time. In accordance with the new budget preparation calendar, the budget call is released in December, while the President submits his budget call every after his State of the Nation address. Meanwhile, in the new stakeholder engagement, DBM and other agencies are tasked to be in partnership with civil society organizations and other citizen stakeholders. This process is geared toward institutionalization. The new national budget also introduces the bottom-up budgeting process, wherein our grassroots are deemed part of the budget allocation process. The Cabinet Cluster on Human Development and Poverty Reduction identified the 300 to 400 communities that would benefit from poverty reduction and empowerment plans. In technical budget hearings, departments and agencies are given the chance to defend their budget proposals before DBM's technical panel. In turn, DBM will review their proposals. In a deliberation, recommendations proposals will be laid down before the Executive Review Board, composed of the DBM Secretary and officials. Program allocation and support are assessed, including project implementation. The budget and recommendations of the agencies will then be consolidated in a national expenditure program and budget of expenditures and sources of financing. The budget that would be approved will be presented to the President and the members of the Cabinet for possible reforms or reprioritization. The process of budget preparation and with the presentation of the national budget or the President's budget to the Congress. The President's budget includes the budget message, budget of expenditures and sources of financing, and details of selected programs and projects. For People's Television, Ara Perez.